So you're a new trader and you're searching for a broker so you can start your journey and begin trading, or you're just ready to up your trading game and go from a smaller broker to a more professional broker. And what are you doing? You're looking everywhere at the pricing structure. And a lot of brokers out there will claim that they have no fees at all. It's just free. Unfortunately, if you look into the fine print, there is some wording in there where you can find that there's other ways they make their money. It can't just be all free. There has to be a way for them to generate income. So let's dive into that. If a broker is claiming that zero commissions, here are some ways that they are probably making up that loss of revenue. Are they charging overnight locate multipliers? Are they charging you higher routing fees? Marked up short interest, inflated locate prices, fees for broker-assisted trades, or applying excessive account fees for minor services? Are they being paid by executing brokers for your order flow? Or are they offering temporary discounts on locates that are already priced above the market? Unfortunately, it's not until a few months later that you find out that the commission was actually more than you thought and it wasn't free. I personally have experienced this, and it is so frustrating when you think it was one way and it's actually another. This is exactly why we at Cobra believe that honesty and transparency will actually win in the long run. Therefore, we design our commission structure in a way that makes sense to the active trader. They can easily determine what their trade costs will be with confidence. It's simple, it's clean, it's transparent, it's the way it should be. To get more details on Cobra's pricing structure, be sure to watch our video that we previously made on that.